In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create experiments in Google Ads. Experiments are a safe, structured way to test changes to your ads without disrupting your entire account. They let you compare a variation against your current setup, so you can make decisions based on real performance data, not guesses. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Once you're in, go to Campaigns. Click Campaigns again to make sure you're looking at the full list and working at the campaign level. This ensures your changes apply to the right place and that you can see all available campaigns before you set up your test. Next, click Experiment. This brings you to the Experiments workspace where all your test setups live. Here, click the plus icon to create a new experiment. We're going to make an ad variation, which is ideal for testing changes to your ad text or URLs without altering budgets or bids. Select the specific campaign you want to experiment on. Choose one that has steady traffic so your results are meaningful. Then click Continue. Now create your ad variation and enter the necessary details. Give the variation a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Define which ads you want to include in the test. Use the Find and Replace option to adjust specific text or update elements like headlines, descriptions, display paths, or final URLs. Keep your change focused on one main difference so you can attribute performance changes to that tweak alone. If you see options for the date range and traffic split, set them thoughtfully. A balanced split provides a fair comparison, and a reasonable duration helps gather enough data. Double-check your targeting and scope to confirm the variation applies only to the selected campaign. When everything looks good, click Continue, and then click Create Variation. Your experiment is now set up. From here, the variation will run alongside your original ads according to the parameters you defined. A few quick tips to get the most from your experiment. Keep the scope tight and the change simple, such as testing a new headline or a refined call to action. Allow the test to run long enough to gather meaningful data and focus on key metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion to judge impact. If the variation proves successful, you can later roll those learnings into your broader campaigns with confidence. And that's it. Your ad variation experiment in Google Ads is ready. Follow these steps each time you want to validate a new idea without risking your entire campaign.